In today's video, I'll show you how to install Windows on a MacBook. And if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you're looking to get started with Parallels, please do well to check the link in the description below. Now, the first thing I would like you to do is check the link in the description and move to Parallels. And from here, we're going to click on Try Free. We should be able to sign up for their free account. We're going to input our email, click on Agree and download. Then we should be able to get the download started for our PC. Now that it's done, we're going to open up the installer and we're going to double click on the install package. Open. We're going to click on open and then we're going to allow, and then we're going to accept this. We're going to enable this and we're going to wait for it to finish downloading. It's just gonna take a few more seconds. And once it's done downloading, now it's installing Parallels desktop. We're gonna allow this with our fingerprint and we're gonna allow it initialize. Now we're gonna click on next. We're gonna allow here. We're gonna allow. And we're gonna allow. And we're gonna finish the installation. Now, please understand that Parallels is a paid program, and if you want more, it's just a virtual machine. We're going to click on Install Windows. Parallel is a virtual machine, and to get a bigger virtual machine, you're definitely going to need to pay for that. Now it's installing 5 gig. We're going to wait for a few more minutes for it to finish installing. And we're at the end of the installation. Now we're going to move to the next phase. Gonna wait a few seconds for it to be. Now we are on validating. And once it's done validating, we're gonna go and sign up or sign in with our account. And this is to get an account on Parallel itself. Now, please understand that you might need to pay a $300 package, a subscription for Parallel to enjoy it well enough. We're gonna click on allow, allow. You can see the button at the top that says buy. That's where you can click to subscribe. But it says installing Windows 11. We're gonna wait for it to finish installing. And it's going to go through the normal installation like we are installing Windows. You don't need to do any partitions like you used to do with the Intel chips. This is going to give you an Apple chip Windows on your computer, on your MacBook. So we have Windows installing. Right, so it says please keep your computer on 0%, and we are done. We're just gonna wait for it to load up. Now that's how to install Windows 11 on your Mac using Parallels. You can click here to buy. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe.